Hi, folks. So we talk about in-app experiences here at User Pilot, obviously a lot, but today I want to talk about a different case scenario. So let's be honest. Your users don't hang out inside your app all of the time. So what happens when somebody signs up, they perform only one key activation action, and then they leave and you don't see them inside your app again? Right? The best way to bring them back, to bring their attention back to your tool is by using email. So I wanted to talk about the importance of email automation for SaaS onboarding at basically every stage of the user journey today. The problem with email is that, well, most SaaS businesses don't do it right. They don't know how to set up their email sequences to really correspond to what is happening inside the app. So basically, like in app, you can have product tours, which are linear, non-personalized, not interactive, and highly ineffective. The same can happen with your email sequence. And it can be even worse, it can backfire. So if you have a linear time-based email sequence that is sent to every new user at the same time, you don't really know if they have already performed the key actions that you are asking them to do inside your email. So in fact, it may be even a bit embarrassing, right, for you to send these emails, because what if the user has already done what you are asking them for? So the remedy for this is to create a proper email automation strategy that involves in-app events, so what your users are already doing inside your app, appropriate tags that you applied to the segments of users that have performed these actions, right? And then scores you applied to the segment of these users based on like different criteria, different activities. And once you have applied the right tags and scores, you send them the right emails at the right time when they really need to get them. Okay, so in our blog post linked below, Adina, our guest post writer this week, wrote about basically creating the whole strategy. So first of all, you need to know what kind of events you're going to track. So you need to know basically what your user journey is for the different personas that you may have. Right? Then you need what jobs these personas want to do inside your app. So that's the jobs to be done framework. And then based on this, you develop a strategy, what actions you want to push them to do to get their goals as fast as possible. And based on that, you track specific events that indicate that these actions have occurred, right? And apply the right tags and give the right scores. So it may sound a bit complicated, but trust me, it's not. We have described the whole process below, plus a tool that can help you set up a complementary onboarding strategy, email onboarding strategy that will perfectly complement your in-app onboarding strategy. So go check it out, and yeah, see you next week.